These days, crypto exchanges are everywhere. Some promise the moon, some fade away overnight. But the truth is simple: a good crypto exchange can make your journey smoother, safer, and even more profitable. Welcome back to Crypto Chronicles. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 crypto exchanges that are worth your attention in 2025. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until number 1, because it might just surprise you. Kicking off our list at number 5 is KuCoin. Known as the People's Exchange, KuCoin supports over 700 cryptocurrencies and offers features like margin trading, futures, staking, and even trading bots. Its low fees and massive altcoin selection make it a favorite among crypto enthusiasts looking for gems before they hit the mainstream. At number 4, we have BolFin. BolFin is quickly gaining traction as a secure and efficient derivatives exchange. With a focus on futures trading, risk management tools, and institutional-grade security, it's perfect for traders who want a professional-level platform without the complexity of traditional finance. Coming in at number 3 is BydFi. BydFi positions itself as a global exchange for both beginners and advanced traders. It stands out with copy trading, a user-friendly mobile app, and competitive trading fees. What's more, it's fully compliant with regulations, making it one of the safer choices for new investors stepping into crypto. Number 2 goes to MEXC. MEXC has become a top-tier exchange for altcoin hunters, offering over 1,600 listed tokens. Beyond spot trading, it features futures, staking, and ETF products. Known for lightning-fast listings of new projects, MEXC is where many early adopters discover the next big trend before it explodes. And finally, our number 1 spot goes to EasyCoin. EasyCoin is more than just an exchange. It's a complete crypto ecosystem. With a sleek interface, powerful trading engine, staking rewards, and multi-layer security, it combines ease of use with professional-grade tools. What makes it stand out is its community-driven approach and mission to make crypto accessible to everyone, from first-time investors to seasoned traders. So there you have it, our countdown of the top 5 crypto exchanges in 2025. KuCoin, the People's Exchange. BolFin, futures and derivatives with pro security. BydFi, user-friendly and regulation-focused. MEXC, the king of altcoin listings. EasyCoin, an all-in-one ecosystem built for the future. Remember, the right exchange can make the difference between stress and success in your crypto journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates from Crypto Chronicles. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe, stay profitable, and keep exploring the future of finance.